Hi, I'm Patty Bedwell, Elder Care Coordinator with Takacs McGinnis Elder Care Law. Before I came to Takacs McGinnis, I spent several years working as a district long-term care ombudsman. Unless you have a loved one in a nursing home or in an assisted living facility, you may not know what an ombudsman is. So I wanted to take a few minutes to explain what an ombudsman is, what an ombudsman does, and how an ombudsman can help you if you have a loved one in a long-term care facility. So just like anywhere else, when you live in a long-term care facility, occasionally things go wrong. It's very important for residents and families to know what to do when that happens. Where do they go? Who do they tell? How are their issues resolved? Each facility has a system in place for handling complaints and concerns. It's usually the social worker, but best thing to do is to ask during the admission process. Find out how problems are handled and who do you direct your concerns to. Often that's all you need to do to get your problem resolved, but every now and then something more is needed. That's where the ombudsman come into play. The Long-Term Care Ombudsman Program is a federally mandated program whose directive is to provide advocacy to residents in long-term care facilities. They do this by investigating any problem or concern brought to them by a resident or family member in a licensed long-term care facility. They assure your rights as a resident are upheld, and they work directly with the resident, their family, and the facility to resolve concerns. Although federally mandated, the ombudsmen are not employees of the state or of any facility. They are independent, and their focus is to help ensure residents are provided the best possible services and that all their rights are upheld. Each licensed long-term care facility must provide residents with information about the Ombudsman program, including how to contact them. You'll find the Ombudsman posters hanging in the public areas of the facilities. If you don't see one, ask who the Ombudsman is and how to contact their office. If there's an issue and you've talked with the staff and nothing's changed, please reach out to the Ombudsman. Residents and family members with facility concerns can contact the Ombudsman for assistance. The Ombudsman will investigate the concerns and will work with the staff to help find a solution. Then they follow up to make sure the problem is corrected, and if not, they go back to the administrative staff and keep at it until resolution is found. If you have questions on how to find and fund the best care for your loved one, either at home or in a facility, please contact our office.